Hi, welcome to Hot Sides. Today we're gonna try, oh, this is my boy,
Matt.
this is my other boy.
Ian.
Sorry, we're doing so many videos here, it's just kind of getting caught up. Anyway, today we're gonna try Yellowbird sauce. It's a habanero condiment. It's also made in Texas, so woo, from those that are from Texas. That's where we're from. This one's got carrots, onions, habanero peppers, organic distilled vinegar. So we'll see. Tangerine, so we'll see. The Scoville unit on this one's gonna be 10,000 to 50,000. Thanks for reminding me.
Did you do it on the last video?
Yeah, I did. He did. I didn't do the last video with that introduction. So here we go. I'm gonna put quite a bit on this. I'm gonna put a hefty dose. Give a shout out to them Texas sauces.
The bomb is made in Texas, I'm pretty sure.
Well, that was hot. So.
Well, that's so nasty.
Cheers, boys. Cheers.
Sweet.
Oh,
I don't like that flavor.
oh.
It has that typical habanero flavor, but it is sweet at first, like he mentioned. It's very sweet. So I didn't think the heat was gonna get there, but then the heat just kicked you. So I like it. I would use it if I was looking for more spice. Apparently they didn't like it, but I did. So anyway, what would y'all use it on? Anything if y'all were gonna eat it again?
The trash can?
No, I wouldn't go that far. But anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and we appreciate you watching. Just keep watching. We'll keep bringing more videos as we can. So thank you, and have a good day.